in Carolina. But yes, okay, guys, let's go ahead and do a clip for this one. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to try to be less annoying for some of you because it seems like you want the information but don't want my jokes. Right, Chewy? But anyways, we're going to talk about today about this little dude, Apxt, Apex Technology Acquisition Corporation. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring that bell so you get notified every time we are online. So before I get to the latest and greatest news about Apxt or Avepoint, we're going to review the company profile and I'll move forward from there to 2 stories and then I'll review the chart. Okay? Apex Technology Acquisition Corporation does not have significant operations. It intends to effect a merger, capital stock exchange, asset acquisition, stock purchase, reorganization, or similar business combination with one or more businesses in the software and internet technology industries. The company was founded in 2019 and is based in Burlingame, California. Now, let's go ahead and move forward to these few articles that I gathered so you have a little bit of more perspective of what is happening with this one. So, first of all, I want to go ahead and get started with this one. Paste and go because it came out before this one. This came out on November 27th. This came out in November 23rd. So Microsoft partner Avepoint going public through Apex Tech SPAC merger with $2 billion equity value.
Bruh.
Avepoint helps customers migrate, manage, and protect their Office 365 data. The Microsoft partner will go public through a merger with SPAC, Apex Technology Acquisition Corporation, for a combined entity with a pro forma equity value of about $2 billion. Avepoint expects to bring in sales of $148 million this year, up 26% for the year. The $2 billion includes $140 million in proceeds from institutional investors through a committed private investment or PIPE. Avepoint shareholders will hold a 72% stake after a deal closes. The company will be called Avepoint and trade under the AVPT ticker on the Nasdaq. And obviously this hasn't happened yet. Apex raised $350 million in its IPO last year. Apxt has moved by that day, right? Just keep that in mind, that day. And then we're going to follow up with this stock alert from Nasdaq.com. Apex Technology Acquisition jumps 35%. Shares of Apex Technology Acquisition Corp are surging over 35% on Friday morning, and this came out on November 27th. Keep that in mind. The special purpose acquisition company has reached a merger deal with Avepoint. We just talked about it, a data management solutions provider for the Microsoft Cloud. And we already know that Azure is growing and growing, so I guess when Azure grows, this one will go and follow. The APXT is currently trading, well, by then, $14 on the Nasdaq. Upon closing the transaction, the combined company will be named Avepoint and will remain a publicly traded company listed on the Nasdaq stock market under a new ticker symbol AVPT, which we already knew. And guys, the deal value combined company at $2 billion. The combined company is going to be led, here we go, by Avepoint co-founder and CEO Dr. Tianyi Yang. Avepoint co-founder Kai Gong will serve as executive chairman of the company. Apex is led by a former Oracle CFO, Jeff Epstein, and former Goldman Sachs head of technology investment banking, Brad Koenig. I think those are great points. And with that said, since Avepoint is not listed right now, we gotta take a look at Apex, guys. For now, is it Apex? Apxt, and we reviewed this one the other day. I actually did a video, and let's see what we got. Love is all I got. Woo! Avepoint, ooh, papo. This is creating some support levels. Look at that flaggity flag, guys. But David, you don't do analysis. I don't know what am I doing over here. Mira, first of all, this break of resistance was the best entry, $11. Right now it's up to $14, which is equal to 25%. Let's look at the 4-hour real quick. And what I'm liking over here about Apxt, I'm going to be very honest, is the higher low that we're creating. Yesterday we closed at 14.15, so we are wondering today, David, where the heck is Apxt this morning? Well, let me tell you. We are at $14.15. Still there, but I am liking what I'm looking at right now. The 4-hour looks good. The 1 hour looks even better. If you want to say, if you want to have a little bit of more confidence in this investment, maybe having a buy stop at $14 and, wow, dude, 25 cents, I guess. $14.25, a break of a resistance will be a blessing. But David, how much is it gonna move? Well, it can actually go to 1540, which is equal to 8.3%. It can even go up to 21.3%, equals to $17. It can go to freaking 20s. It can go to even 24, 29, 31. But David, how do you know that? Fibonacci levels, guys. Fibonacci levels. And I already did the Fibonacci levels. I believe I did it on the video that I reviewed. I said 3 stocks, but I reviewed like 5. So, guys, I know, dude, I know the errors that I do. Okay, I notice the errors that I do, and I don't care. I really don't. Mira, see that Fibonacci levels? Oh, David. I mean, we are one step ahead of the game, dude. I'm giving you the price predictions that I got. 24. 29, even 30s for Apxt. Very, very simple, guys. Don't even overcomplicate it. Fibonacci will give you the price points. But I want to hear you out. I want to know your opinion about Apxt, about Avepoint. I know it's a merge. It's gonna be merging in the coming up soon, as you already know, guys. Is as you can see, combined company will be named Avepoint. Okay, at the end of the day, it will be listed on the Nasdaq under the ticker AVPT. So let me know in the chat room or in the comment section. Will AVPT or Apxt do a or will it go down to the bottom of the ocean with SpongeBob Bob and become a Yes? A message for the haters? Yeah, sure. So The Rock said, you want me to say? Okay. So The Rock told me that I need to say that the haters need to unlike this video if they want to, if they feel that's the way. Or
put a little icy hot on it, turn it sideways, and take it straight up your candy ass.
Ay, ay, ay.
Oh, no.
That's going to hurt. Apxt, amazing, guys. Amazing. Jeffrey Epstein is doing well with them. I see it. I see it. I see it doing very, very well. I like this one. I'm liking it a lot now, guys. I'm gonna be very honest. Now, I don't have a lot of news coming up, so I'm gonna go ahead and start doing your favorite symbols, guys. We got 29 viewers. We got 17 likes, which is amazing. But the math doesn't make sense. Let's try to equal that. Let's balance it. Let me go back to Seeking Alpha and see if I can find some articles about the symbols that I'm gonna be reviewing right now. One of them is Fuel Cell, guys. I'm gonna do Fuel Cell right now. Bitcoin challenges 24K before pulling back. We already knew that, dude. Seeking Alpha, you're a little bit late, dude. You're a little bit late. Oh, Shui, we got some Shui news. Shui news over here. I think Shui will be fine to review. We already knew about Bitcoin 20. I mean, it's fine. Bitcoin, dude, 23,151. Yeah, it looks pretty bullish to me. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and review Fuel Cell. Let me see if there's any article here. Fuel Cell Energy. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry that we're making profit. I'm sorry. I didn't expect this. I need to apologize that we're making good profit, okay? I need to apologize. John Beckerly, you are asking about Palantir. I already got it in the list. I'm going to add INSG for you. INSG. But I gotta review the ones that I already had scheduled. Okay. But I'm adding you to the top of the list. Can we look at Jumia? Yes, we can, dude. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. I like Jumia. It's been an interesting one. But let me look Fusel, guys. Let me look at Fusel, dude. Let's look at Fusel. Okay, nothing specific. Oops, I deleted that. No, Chewy. There we go. Let's do FCEL. Fuel cell energy for all of you. Woo! But David, fuel cell, David. 852. Dude, I'm gonna cry, guys. I'm literally gonna cry. It's like every investment that I'm putting in is making profit. I'm sorry, guys, that we're making profit. I'm sorry. I shouldn't be annoying. I shouldn't be like that. I shouldn't do Microsoft Paint. I shouldn't do these videos anymore, guys. I'm annoying. Are you crazy, guys? Look at that. Fuel cell is doing amazing. $8.50, guys. Wow. It's already going up. And I'm expecting $11.31. After that, 12, 14, 17. Fibonacci blessing us with those targets, guys. And the beautiful thing is that we enter at $2. This was actually mentioned in our Discord community. I think Patrick Ciareta, I think Eduam, Linley, many of you capitalize on this opportunity, and that makes me so happy, guys. I'm not happy about my portfolio. I'm happy about you learning and you making profit, guys. That is insane, and I love it. I love it. We do the videos with a lot of love, right, Chewy? Let's review Tesla over here. A lot of people getting hurt by Tesla. Let's see what we got. Tesla. Enoch Lion. Welcome to the channel. Enoch Lion. Welcome to the channel. Enoch Lion.
Roar.
Let's see. Enoch Lion never says hi. I don't know why. Oh, he says sup, David. GHIV had a merger announcement yesterday on merger date. Will run today. GHIV. Has something to do with HIV? Let's see. Can you look at HRB? Yeah, I gotta do it before GHIV. HRB. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and move forward. We gotta review a few things. So Tesla, no new articles, but we're gonna do the technicals. We got 30 viewers and 18 likes. Getting there. We need to balance it. We need to balance that. And the weekly for me is still bullish. A lot of indecision happening right now. Let's look at Tesla. 623.20. Not bad. A lot of consolidation happening for Tesla, but I think it's fine. And I think that Tesla is gonna keep on going. If it drops, that will be a blessing, guys. I'm telling you, if it drops, if it gets to drop, it's another blessing like Bitcoin did. 623, beautiful. Good morning, Donald Murphy. Good morning.
Boom shakalaka.
Okay, let's do Apple. Let's do Apple because I like Apple. You already know this. I like Apple.